All right, so check this out. We have the Amazon Echo Pop, and this thing looks really cool. Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa. Here we go. We're gonna open this thing up and see how it looks. Here we go. Wow. So you got a nice big speaker right here that's gonna face outward towards your nice flat surface to lay this on. And you have your plug in the back and some buttons on the top. So let's just go ahead and plug this thing in. Just like that. It's gonna turn on magically. Do we have to turn it on? Oh, there we go. It turns on magically, like I said the first time. And you're gonna use your phone app to connect to it. They give you all the instructions here if you need to learn about how to use it and what different things to say. So we can set this thing up and it's gonna sound really good. I do love that it just sits like that. It sends that sound right to you, and you can mute so it doesn't listen to you. You see the microphones on it as well, so it can hear you from all around. You also have volume. Ooh, really nice sounding speaker. And you're gonna set this thing up and you're gonna be able to do all the fun things that you can do with your Alexa.
Hello, your device is ready for setup.
So
just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Just like that. So it's super easy to set up. And yeah, I like this thing a lot. It just looks really nice. What a nice, sleek looking speaker. I highly recommend it. And hey, thanks for watching.